Here's a 12-inch 7-wing Hunter box fan. This again came from Bill for my birthday, and this one was on Craigslist in Boston, and he went and picked it up for me, and it's a great fan. I really like it, especially because it's like the little brother to my Montgomery Ward's box fan, and it works good. This one also needs to be oiled, but it really looks cool. The blade is different than the one on my Montgomery Ward's box fan, but it really looks cool and when it's running and such. But it's a good little box fan, and it's in pretty good shape as well. The paint's not all beat up or anything, and it could stand to be cleaned, and I will get on that. But it's missing its handle, but you know, that happens. But it's a nice little fan, and here I'm going to show it running. So you can see it really doesn't get up to speed, and the blades take just a minimal amount of time to stop. So this one as well needs to be oiled, but that's okay, because you know, I have oil. It's right here, my 3-in-1. So I'll be taking care of that here shortly. But you know, this is a good little fan as well. And actually, these small little box fans are starting to grow on me. I have 2 others right now. My Zero and Manning Bowman box fans. But I really like this one. It's a bit more solidly built than those ones are. You know, Burstead made the cheap fans of the era, and this is a bit more high quality. But this is a really great fan, and I like it a lot. So there's that video.